Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about how to make this cube or a box. And I thought while I'm waiting on that other video to load, I thought I'm going to show you how to make if you were going to do it for a kid's block or a drawing. So what you want to do is just kind of put it into your drawing. And if later versions of Corel, and if you don't have add perspective, we're going to do it a second way. And you don't want to go all the way to the top, so you'd really probably want to make an imaginary line in there. But if you add the perspective tool, it's so simple and easy. And when you engrave that, it'll look more like a box. Now let's back up here. If you don't have the add perspective tool, you could always use the envelope tool. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Envelope will do the exact same thing. Well, the only difference is you need to select all these. Matter of fact, I'd get rid of these center nodes and then grab all these and right click and turn them into lines. And then grab your shape tool and put that one there. And that's what I was saying, it'd be a lot easier if you had an imaginary line offset. Pretty much the same exact effect. Now, what was I talking about, imaginary line? Let's take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in. Move this over. Let's left click, right click. Let's go up to effects and contour to the inside 1 inch. That's too much. Let's go 1/2 inch, 0.05 or 0.5. Hit apply. That's your imaginary line. Now you can really break the contour apart. Grab just that inner circle or inner square. Now you have a reference point to put a letter into that imaginary space. Need to kind of rotate it in the direction that you want it, and then bring it in. And this time let's rotate it back a little bit, kind of get it even. Now let's use the add perspective tool. It's actually a little bit too big. Let's get a little bit smaller. Go to object and add perspective, and then just set these lines on that imaginary line. It'll actually snap to them. You've got snap to object on, and now our A is completely messed up. I don't know how you could have done it differently. You know what? Let's don't rotate it at all. Let's see if we can't just do it this way. Go to object and add perspective. I think this is going to be the ticket. Yep. So I shouldn't have rotated at all. And then just take that imaginary line away. Well, it's not imaginary, it's there. Anyway, pretty cool idea. You can do that with clip art or graphic or whatever you want to do. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.